They said this pump is bad on here. So never took off one of these before, but we're about to do it now. So looks like it's got some got some little screws in there. So let's make sure we don't lose these. All right, that's 4. Looks like there's 3 in here. It is fairly easy. You want to get down in here with me? Hold on a second. That's what it looks like, folks. See right in there? We got to take that out. It looks like there's a little holes here we got to unscrew. This turns. Take those wires off. Oh, some more screws right up in here. So that's what it looks like. Let's get with it. All right, so I'll get that out of there. So don't take this off. Screw this off. Don't do this. Keep that tight. We're going to screw this off, and then over here we'll take this one off. Okay? All right. Let's screw this. God dang it. That would be on there ass tight. Ugh. We need some grips. What they sent me. So it looks like this goes like this. So that whole pack. But I need the hoses. You say, oh, it's easy. All you gotta do, man, I can't even. These hoses. Let's take this out. All right, now let's see if you can. All right, here we go. So that's one. You got to use its own weight against it. All right, now this is what we have, and this is what we need to put on. So I can get rid of everything. What is this little here? Oh, it's in tape. Got some tape on it. So that means we need a razor. Let's get a razor, folks. We gotta cut the tape off because that gets plugged into here. And that ain't even, I don't even think that's tape. That's like, because this is more like it's shrink wrapped on there or something. I tell you, they get you to get these products. Oh, this is the best product in the world. Even if something happens, it's easy. So far it's not difficult, but all right. So now we got that tape off of there. Or that isn't tape. They put a piece of plastic around there with a hairdryer and shrink it around there. I don't have one of those kind of tools. So now we unplug that. Unplug these. Right. Yeah, there we go. Man, that's hard in the mud. All right, we got that part off. Now we have to take this off. Here we go. Oh, the word is coming out. Yeah, see that? Okay, right. I'm gonna put that on like that, and then that one will go like that. Yeah, that's good enough for now. I won't over tighten it. All right, move that in behind there. Then we got another one over here. Okay. I'm gonna make sure I don't over tighten. Nope, nope, nope. I'm not gonna over tighten it. Got this impact. Could have set it there. There we go. Yeah, that's nice and firm. All right. Now that's what we have. Now remember, they had tape on connections. So we need some tape. See this? It says tape. All right, so we got some tape. Put some tape on that one. But there's some sticky tape. Yeah, you know, people get paid to push these products and they try to make you think it's the best thing in the world. You still got to use your own judgment. I mean, it's not that it's a bad product, but the way they sell you and get some of these people to say, hey, use this. The best thing ever. Look at what it did for me. You know, they don't ever tell you this part of it. But who does, right? So you can't really blame them for making $1. We got this, right? So we want to put that into this hose. Because it's still got the screw part on there. Then this will go into this, and then we'll tape it up. And then this will go into here. See if you can see that. You probably can't see that because I don't want to break that. But you just got to trust me. Okay. We want to put this hose on this side. We put the whole thing sure everything is not crunching anything. I'm not gonna over tighten it. Okay. All right. It seems as though, let's see. I don't know if I charged the battery, folks. I think that works. Hey. Okay, let's see. It works. Let me show you. Let me see if I turn it up on high. See what happens. Oh. It works, folks. Took me about 45 minutes, I think, but I could probably do it in a half an hour without all this camera stuff. All right, folks. Peace. It has some instructions, but who likes to use instructions?